Which of the following is a type of nut found in the equatorial forest? A. Brazil nuts. B. Almond. C. Cashew. D. Walnut. The correct answer is A. Brazil nuts. Which archipelago is the largest? A. Indonesia. B. Bahrain. C. Maldives. D. Lakshadweep. The correct answer is A. Indonesia. What are winds that blow constantly in the same direction throughout the year called? A. Monsoon winds. B. Planetary winds. C. Local winds. D. Variable winds. The correct answer is B. Planetary winds. What kind of scale is the Richter scale? A. A logarithmic scale with a fixed minimum. B. An open-ended scale. C. A linear scale with a starting point of 0. D. A closed scale with a fixed maximum. The correct answer is B. An open-ended scale. Which countries are important for tobacco production in addition to Belarus? A. France and Germany. B. Spain and Portugal. C. Bulgaria, Italy, and Macedonian Greece. D. Poland and Czech Republic. The correct answer is C. Bulgaria, Italy, and Macedonian Greece. The Earth's axis is always tilted or inclined from which reference point? A. The Sun. B. The vertical. C. The orbit. D. The horizontal. The correct answer is B. The vertical. Which national park is home to the Bengal tiger in West Bengal? A. Kaziranga National Park. B. Sundarbans National Park. C. Gir National Park. D. Mudumlai Wildlife Sanctuary. The correct answer is B. Sundarbans National Park. What is the function of the Reset Map button? A. To reset the map to the starting position. B. To begin the population growth animation. C. To change the map's projection. D. To open the activity URL. The correct answer is A. To reset the map to the starting position. Which of the following is listed as a major trading partner? A. Japan. B. Australia. C. Mexico. D. Canada. The correct answer is A. Japan. Which layer is identified as the solid and rigid layer of the Earth in the provided text? A. Lithosphere. B. Mantle. C. Upper mantle. D. The crust. The correct answer is D. The crust. Which of the following is categorized as a plantation crop in India? A. Pulses. B. Coffee. C. Wheat. D. Sugarcane. The correct answer is B. Coffee. During an earthquake, where is a recommended place to take shelter under a table? A. In a doorway. B. Under a table or chair. C. On a bed. D. Near a window. The correct answer is B. Under a table or chair. What celestial objects revolve around planets? A. Comets. B. Asteroids. C. Stars. D. Satellites. The correct answer is D. Satellites. What are industries that use mineral ores as their raw materials called? A. Forest-based industries. B. Marine-based industries. C. Mineral-based industries. D. Agro-based industries. The correct answer is C. Mineral-based industries. Which of the following mountains in Africa are examples of extinct volcanoes? A. Metricton, Vesuvius and Metricton, Etna. B. Metricton, Kilimanjaro and Metricton, Kenya. C. Metricton, Street, Helens and Metricton, Rainier. D. Metricton, Everest and Metricton, Fuji. The correct answer is B. Metricton, Kilimanjaro and Metricton, Kenya. If both assertion, A, and reason, are correct, but does not explain A, which option is correct? A, and are correct and explains A. B, A, and are correct but does not explain A. C, A is correct but R is incorrect. D, A is incorrect but R is correct. The correct answer is B. A and R are correct but does not explain A. Besides drinking, what are some other purposes for which water is required? A. Industrial and artistic purposes. B. Recreation only. C. Domestic, agriculture, industrial purposes. D. Decoration and entertainment. The correct answer is C. Domestic, agriculture, industrial purposes. Which of the following is not a use of manganese? A. Manufacturing of paints. B. Manufacturing of insecticides. C. Alloying with copper. D. Manufacturing of bleaching powder. The correct answer is C. Alloying with copper. Besides Brazil, which of the following is an important cotton-growing country in South America mentioned in the text? A. Argentina. B. Colombia. C. Chile. D. Venezuela. The correct answer is D. Venezuela. What kind of effects on human health are mentioned as impacts of disaster? A. Only mental effects. B. No health effects are mentioned. C. Only physical effects. D. Physical, mental effects. The correct answer is D. Physical, mental effects. Brazil is known by what nickname in relation to coffee? A. The coffee cup. B. The coffee pot. C. The coffee bean. D. The coffee grinder. The correct answer is B. The coffee pot. What is one component a map should include? A. Current news. B. Stock prices. C. Weather forecast. D. Legend. The correct answer is D. Legend. What crop is mentioned in the text? A. Barley. B. Wheat. C. Sugarcane. D. Rice. The correct answer is C. Sugarcane. Which action is performed using the plus and dash buttons? A. Searching for continents. B. Zooming the map view. C. Opening the activity page. D. Selecting full screen mode. The correct answer is B. Zooming the map view. What do transportation maps show? A. Roads and railway lines. B. Literacy rates. C. Trade routes. D. Different types of crops. The correct answer is A. Roads and railway lines. What is a common name for altocumulus clouds due to their appearance? A. Fish scales. B. Cotton balls. C. Feather clouds. D. Sheep clouds. The correct answer is D. Sheep clouds. In which regions does cyclonic rainfall occur? A. Only temperate regions. B. Polar regions. C. Only tropical regions. D. Both tropical and temperate regions. The correct answer is D. Both tropical and temperate regions. Which continent was the last to be discovered? A. Africa. B. Europe. C. Asia. D. Australia. The correct answer is A. Africa. What major body of water influences South America's climate along with the Pacific Ocean? A. Indian Ocean. B. Southern Ocean. C. Atlantic Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is C. Atlantic Ocean. What is added to pure iron ore to increase its strength? A. Zinc and lead. B. Aluminium and copper. C. Carbon and manganese. D. Silicon and oxygen. The correct answer is C. Carbon and manganese. How did you score?